From Ticker News, this is Ticker Today.
Hello, I'm Aaron Young. The US military is evacuating some personnel from Al Ubaid Air Base in Qatar as President Trump considers ordering military action on Iran. The US has begun to move some personnel out of the base due to escalating tensions between Washington and Tehran. Trump has suggested he may intervene to support the protests in Iran and advised Americans in the country to consider evacuating. The situation is tense as reports indicate over 2,500 people have died during the ongoing protests. The Pentagon remains prepared to defend its forces with alternative military options despite the limited presence of naval assets in the Middle East. Meanwhile, a short time ago, President Trump says the White House has been told the evacuations and the executions will not happen.
We've been told that the killing in Iran is stopping. It's stopping. And there's no plan for executions or executions. So I've been told that on good authority. We'll find out about it.
The foreign ministers of Greenland and Denmark have held talks in Washington, reaffirming the island is not for sale. They noted that the fundamental disagreements remain following discussions with US officials. Greenland asserted it can enhance cooperation with the US without being owned by it. The meeting focused on security, and differences in perspectives on long-term security solutions still persist. They aim to establish a high-level working group to continue dialogue in coming weeks. The Danish foreign minister spoke after the meeting.
It's clear that the president has this wish of conquering over Greenland. We made it very, very clear that this is not in the interest of the kingdom.
X is taking steps to restrict its Grok AI chatbot from generating sexualised images of women amid global backlash and regulatory scrutiny. UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer has confirmed the platform's move to comply with British law while investigations continue in multiple jurisdictions, including Australia. The chatbot now rejects certain requests, citing concerns about non-consensual image manipulation. Ofcom has launched a formal investigation to assess possible violations of the Online Safety Act. Malaysia and Indonesia have blocked access to Grok following the controversy surrounding its image generation capabilities. Critics have expressed that initial restrictions by X were insufficient and didn't adequately address the issue. Now the market stocks moved lower for a second day, pulling back further from record levels. The S&P 500 traded 0.9% lower. The Dow, well, that lost 164 points. Wells Fargo fell more than 5% after posting weaker than expected revenue for the fourth quarter. Bank of America is down roughly 7% week to date. Citigroup and Wells Fargo both fallen about 8%.